Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you After Effects Liquid Elements Pack. This is RAR file. You can download link in description. It's free. As you can see, I have already extracted the folder. Here you can see the After Effects template. Just click the mouse left click. Then open it. Just click OK. Well, first the project is open. Look at the left side of it. Then you can see there are some folders in the project panel. Cops. Solids. Explosions. I'm opening an explosion to show you. This is a very nice animation. Look, you can change the color. You can use it as you like. Here you can see there are 40 explosions. Then you will see fire loops. It's a very nice. There are 20 fire loops. You can use any video. It's look nice. Then you will see impacts. Smoke. There are 40 to 40 of these. Sparks, also 40 different animations. Stamps, 40 of these. Which 60 different animations. So you can use these freely. No plug-in required. Liquid Elements is an amazing After Effects template that features commercials, presentations, slideshows, competitions, exhibitions, product reviews, gaming highlights, promotions, events, Facebook and YouTube videos. Download this explosive 8 template today and add fun, flashy and entertainingly animated exploding liquid elements onto your videos. I'm finishing here like today, hope you understand. If you do not understand, please let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.